Have you checked out the free response question type yet? To get started, select the big blue plus to add a free response question type. When typing your question into the text bar, you can also enrich your question using the Multimedia button found to the right. You can enhance your question with audio supports, a video message, reference materials, and even outside embedded tools to support students on their pathway to success. Want your students' responses to be auto-graded? You can input your answer of key phrases in the correct answer text bar, and by toggling on Allow Partial Match, student responses that include those key words will be graded as correct. You can also make your answer key case-sensitive. By toggling on Use Rubric, you can visit our Rubric wizard to create a rubric that can be used to grade your student responses. By toggling on Show Your Work, students will have a Show Your Workspace available to show their work or annotate over an added background by their teacher. Finally, to view your students' progress against standards, tag the question to the appropriate standard by typing in the key words. Just like the teachers can enhance their questions and free response by using the Multimedia button, students can enhance their answers. Students have the option to use the Multimedia button to provide them an accessible way to respond to content, record their thoughts in a variety of medias, and make formative work for their preferred way to show their learning.